You are here once again at the Goddess Temple Palace with a smile upon my face as I take you into a new embrace of what I see from my creativity. I am doing a series of goddesses and Yoni art. And this is a combination of both. There is a iridescent type stone. When you move it, it changes the color when the light hits it. It becomes something more to the eye. And I'm trying to remember. Oh, it's a labradorite. Yes, that's the kind of stone it is. And for sure it has to deal with versatility and being like a chameleon and also being able to shine when one chooses to. And that is the womb. It's placed in the womb, the Yoni area of the ANKH. And the story goes that from the womb came the children to either side of the womb, or those could be called the uterus, the ovaries. Let's go there. Let's go there. And her feet now are reminding me of the arms of the goddess Lakshmi. For there be, representing, in this case, north, south, east, and west. Which goddess do you like the best? She can be an altarpiece. She can be worn. I have a place you could put a cord or chain. She has been sitting in my Goddess Temple Palace, in the Goddess Temple Palace. She is blessed and sanctified. Ready to meet her new companion, her new home. Oh, by the way, I am Queen Mother Goddess, Opulence, Ra Enter, creatress of this creation of opulence. And I am the keeper of the Goddess Temple Palace. And if you are on YouTube with me, like, subscribe, ring that bell so you know when I'm coming back, comment, and Facebook, Instagram, wherever you may end up to be, do connect with me. I am planning many things in the very near future, which would include classes, Sacred Soul Messages, which is where you can connect with me for private sessions. Once a month classes. I've had one this month via Zoom or Facebook. And very, very wonderful. Energies were exchanged and channeled. Very soon I will tell you about the next one coming forward. Copper Ankh. by my hands. through the spirit of the First Mother that I channel as I create, as I speak. Thank you for taking the time. Enjoy the energy. It is emanating from this piece. Could be yours.